let's get into it. Today we're going to install a Road Angel Ultra dash cam, but not on the window, on the roll cage in our Rally MGZR. Let's open the box and have a look. So you get the camera, the mounting brackets, some extra strong sticky pads for sticking it to the windscreen, and the standard power lead with a USB that will go in a cigarette lighter adapter. So let's unwrap the camera. We'll slide it into the mounting bracket, and then once you know where you want to fit it on the windscreen, you just peel off the backing on this red sticky pad and put it on the screen. As well as the camera pack with the mounting bracket and the standard lead, we've also got the hardwire kit. This kit contains an enormous amount of options for different fuses and different ways to make it nice and easy to wire the camera in. With these fuse adapters, you can simply pull a fuse from the fuse box, insert the adapter, fit the fuse back into the back of the adapter, and then plug your mains lead for the camera straight into the end of this. And most importantly, the power lead is very well thought out, because there is plenty of length to make sure you can get that lead out of your sight for when you're driving, either round the windscreen trim or round the roll cage in our case, to make sure it's not in your way and not flapping about. As I said, in this case we're not fitting the camera to the windscreen, we're actually going to roll cage mount it, that way you can see what's going on inside the cabin as well as the view out of the front window. So we decided to do a test mount. Just loosely fit the cable, mount the camera on the roll cage in a temporary way, take some footage, see if the camera was in a great position, and then do a proper installation. So here's some of the footage taken at the South Links Rally Sport Rally Sprint Day. We're doing 40, 50, 60 miles an hour here around a grass field, having some fun, and as you can see, the footage is really crisp and really sharp. Having seen that footage, take a look at our version of a temporary mount. That makes that footage look even more impressive to me. Once we checked the footage and we knew the camera was in a good place, we decided to do a proper job of mounting it. So we rerouted the cable properly, installed it with zip ties, and then we handmade a plastic plinth mount that sits between the V section in the roll cage and the camera sits nice and square on that. Once it was installed, it was time for another test. This time we're at Blyton Park for the 6R4.net track day, having some great fun, taking a few people out in the car and generally trying to get it to slide around on tarmac. There we go, installation done, test done, happy with everything. Time to get out and drive this car some more, get some more footage, and we'll show you what we've been up to soon. Make sure you give us a like, hit the bell and press subscribe, and then you'll see all the other videos we've got on the channel, and there is plenty more to come. If you've got a question about the car, if there's anything you want to know, just put them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.